responsibility na aye cover times 4. Therefore, everything be able so wrong with club no, both on and off the field, because you're a management member and also the coach no, you be bolding afra. And to say what this one is so, and to want to be born the son and now born the first nibium. Say what crown is so the father figure to the players.
Okay.
No, to say one in terms of the relationship between the supporters. First, you know, their relationship was between Omo and the CEO and management members. But they said, "Whoa, never." And to want to be young, it's and now you're the first nibium. And just all sound your mem. So I'm so fortunately for you, last season, and you're not too. At least your fans said adaptation. You are adapting to your new role as an IMC member and a head coach. You have adapted to that. When you're a whole year experience, your relationship with the fans, your relationship with players, the responsibilities, the pressure, the power, the stress, we adapted to that. And so we're saying about three. Asante take you over this season. Won't mean the last season DNA be because life will not give you that opportunity.
Thank you.
Zach,
I'm just starting Anna.
On Monday, me opportunity to speak to someone part of the Kotoko team. No, baby, mutu kwa wakambi match camp wakambi. Let me try to find out. DNA Cynthia this all of a sudden drop of form Abbey. One thing he told me and he emphasized and he said, on him. Se between match mo ko Lucy and no so training Tuesday a coach no ebe bubofu no akasa hash to the boys that but ade ba kwa Ogum aye since he return and say ODD player atem say ono mo kasa bahat ebi see that me the person told me point blank or part of the Kotoko team me
say bia no ni o
can be
just be a BBC a oni o na ne ede na ngofo gigantem
be obi ani is because of ne juma
na ede na nya example ya ka se ka ba ku bi na wo akọ mo nyesa na
ana me say ana em one we see sometimes quite for creating news Kotoko na oduna won tiase o people will just see someone create a news be from nowhere just to paint someone's black
and then you go so ni tia then
no, yes, I said that's why I come.
No.
Oh, Sunday, and I try to address no. And I try to address no. You understand? Mr. Two. It's
no bedo.
Oh, I'm saying no sense.
And I'm not in the man.
And if you are going to make up to how they bring issues, no. I don't say I did my only say business be as the better match we know. Anna before because he from the way from the stadium and they say you say na coach the bufu pa how come fast lose match no for example to share obi say awuche omuke nya from the betchen game we share obi a mbon nisa awuche nya from the betchen that game so minimum why we should sit here and be pampering these boys say Kotoko no lusu ba ku mienu miensa ato so a o be so bi e ba jeje wo so you want someone to pamper you say wo lusu ba ku mienu miensa ato so you see eno na amma Kotoko biggest problem
they should be responsible
yes Kotoko biggest problem is ade na
lusu say obu asef
the players think say every season they think say so no so kohwia they can easily use another way to exonerate themselves from the mess. Let them go show be when the coaching why I say no much no more enjoy your salary. Meanwhile they are playing poorly and bad. What about see we? Who why some getting this of course boys we suppose move. Play this poorly, then they set an agenda for omo the omo coach na here.
Wait na meko.
No, I don't performing.
To make the players perform.
Jibu. You see, a coach resource the go back to coaching. You understand? But one player are not performing. You sat here and Tama United issues bar. Everyone can play the players I'm performing.
And at the end of the day, coach in any
pamano, but you know, say,
and the coach no players no.
You know players no.
I know I should hear as a coach. Bruno Fernandes now want me cry and she go. And I say go. Vanis to a band we say go. And a player we was a Boka Okaba.
And we are technical.
Ahmad Okayama. Was Ahmad so no. Now want me here. Is Ahmad na start we say go.
Also call Vanis no.
Obesa what you say. Obesa what you say. They na players need me here. Ano mo ni me yada dan nyina no. Na your coach need no mo ntimi here.
Obesa what you say bisu center.
The player performance ba form. Now we your coach. Now the begina bo mu ni ye shewa. Nobody will turn and blame the players. Aye who coach ni the baba to opona no.
No, Jibo unse saa de no. E na ya who kai say recently even for United the amount hack na or check pono here they thought say players should take some responsibility because ya na players no. Who kai say Kotoko problem I say omo United pe o. Why United yeah
to get rid of
me kasa me
decided to get rid of over 15 players. Club of Misoto last season. John Tedekuko, Nicolas Osebo Suko, Nana Benyiko, Samuel Asamoah, Isaac Kuko. Why name the players? Sheriff Mohammed Ko, Enoch Morrison Ko. These were all players. Shadrakado Rocky Jamana. Club Nejomu Kwaize Kopon, Nicolas Mensah, all these players are gone. Then a new squad come back who were doing well in their club. Emma who coach say the basis are all pay ma ball no. Uti asiema utimi yen omo dada. Wash your dada mo ye extraordinary scouting adi omo buy. Now these players come in and all of a sudden they are not performing. And you think your coach is not part. And all of you should go to the players. Kia can't say my players require time to adapt because someone about chair. But who coaching you were there, you knew the problem and you felt these players were the answer. Na club na ball out of 30 points we lose to half. How can we take the coach out of the conversation?
Mr. Two. Players na pami no na enye coach decision. You see
one kind me can say you coach.
Me say
but what meeting no. The words that anybody will say is enye ono decision.
Yes,
because the first person who works closely with them is the coach.
Me to yet ya say.
Ono na benya.
Na the information if you Mrs. Story ya say na napen kan boys no kwa meeting one on one. The things they told him
about the coach.
About happenings.
And the coach.
And or the call efficacy. Then based on what based on what and the my can say because some says coach I say mimboni we are saying mimboni sadia and because you can't play my team taking winning bonus and say obinti the whole bro. It wasn't purely the coach's decision to start all of them. It I sit here for you to lamp be as a coach the palm players because based on the narrative and this thing we heard no it wasn't coaching the decision say me palm players ni na e yo come ko di here and the team we feel say don't team better say me oh boy me team say be ko ye mpo at least you should find a way and let me know that say you be me asem then you are happy say me bro
okay
as far as can say me so too obi an ka say coach ni yare o I've not said it's anywhere as a coach yard, but I say, for how long? Why are we being as if this is the first time these players are putting that behavior?
Now this players is not a phenomenon.
I don't
body. They don't form majority of the team.
Players that can 12.
That's okay.
Almost like
they don't talk about 13. Seneca,
game no.
No, but they are still part of the team.
No, to Camara in new player.
And you match the assembly. I can play some account.
You can see a new player. Samba, a new players.
They have close. When we are, anybody who is part of the team,
I didn't know training there.
Part of this. Yes, what make is selecting.
What's on this one? I say Papa and Weja and Wakofa
Papa for that particular match.
Wakofa Papa, what's on this one? And I say Papa and we mono. We me a Papa intimate job more. And Wakofa Papa for Fraba. And Abeka Papa no. It's a static coboni. And you're then I see a man.
As my again, I say,
I did a woman pay her once or 10 years waiting on Goko Biasem. Or Sasso can as a movie.
As my again, I say, these boys at Kotoko, this for the past bear when I mean quite a baby. Me found from Nana house, Ebae, Ebesine. Every season, if you want Ogum left, season now Ogum any one of them. Yeah, but I players, I say I'm happy with A, B, C, D. There be a Kotoko players on Kwa. Ghana say the only team of players every season they have problem with someone and you know, money Kotoko. Then we want us to sit here and be celebrating this. Say, no, based on what we are celebrating this. And a place, no, and a place, no.
That's not a fair.
No, and a place, no, and you're happy with this, and you're happy with this. So to me say, Tim Kasebe, unless you are a small club with small mentality. I think Kasebe, oh, we are seeing. Oh, tell me one problem is just a team. Nothing Kasebe lose you back me answer. Then you want us to believe, say, only one person. See, I say me, you don't want us to believe only one person.
I'm not fairness because Obia no has only one person. Obia something but you can pick one and do your analysis with that one. It doesn't mean say apart from the coach, nobody.
No, but because I've said players here that Obera will post. Say so I shouldn't go there go place in the money. Coach,
me too.
Timer. Semi no Kasani. John Tedeku, by any chance, want to leave Kotoko? Tinedu, sorry, Tedeku, Tinedu.
I didn't know about Kotoko.
Because on you happy.
Happy to say.
With the normal echo suit.
Send no pra.
Oh, no pra.
And waba, and wabi bobi no lusu. On you happy, some no second go bana.
Debbie, Tamanya, so on customer.
I won't go to back on count. I did book as a face while you go to say. And then so I need. And they say, "Do you happy?"
Information I me and a meeting.
And your information, or did the on you happy?
Because
Player never patch us. No, sir. Or patch over him.
I will take the player have to go apologize.
But the player himself, you see, the player elected himself to apologize.
No,
Debbie,
no, Mr. To no.
This
someone do issue. Ebe bie worms so.
Enya worms bia.
Mr. To am tell.
Ya take kanka worms and go to retain. Me say, if the player thinks that something happened which embarrassed the whole team, no Koka say I'm sorry for what happened. We dey say nyasem.
Me to a dependent
issue. Yes, he offers it for you. Oma do stage o mka say sorry.
Enya sa. Moto enya sa. Ejina kwan ya be fa so aka asem no. Ama de na kwakwa te say aso no na etachiri.
Enti sa wo sabe wo no wo fa wo no so de we pa cho na nya fe na nya sua hunuma team ni players ni nyina enko de ye jeju am so dodo
eno wo ho ba player wa ba foforo asem no kro ni mu hwe yes just because you so on boys ni gina ho ntino wanya asem what yakura ye mfi no a new player who comes into the team trying to adapt after osi obi no otia no cry ye mfi no how do you expect
go gina se me mfi no na
so to let's not go
time me patch awuche ni full name ana ni dia tama
what is creative story
obi a unim le din pa na me mfa nkan se mo
okay nti awuche
me ubi obi anim din wa abodi
no
ta nti tama on say story me bia me bodin o on say me bodin ti what I say awuche tama the guy got to a point of tears because of Senia. You embarrassing no.
Asema mugamu me hwe ni you.
Tama asema make a fall out of any meeting and no nye na fa meeting nye saninka bo wi o.
No na.
Tama we anya asema si dada nti media nkofo de omo ka no baby no nya na me ka asema and meet a person nyina ahia omo wie no mo aka cho mo say that nations match they will do everything to win that match.
They have to. That is why they are paid. They have to.
And I
they
agree.
have how many options for? No, tell them that's the only option available to them.
I should tell them.
Yes.
You are telling them.
You have no option. Go and win. I know the Anya say, yeah, very shed say the whole Samu. You have to. You have to win.
Thank you. Bema Boada, thank you. So I can we.
They have to. Nemranti amaba mu peso simpenyin.
Tama. Obi ti say
omu peso simpenyin for there.
On last season for no so about this season or buy. Said we a new player. Enti on politicians no ho. Ana me boa.
Say be a go our say no chances our say no. Any be an form man nya more chances to play. He's not happy. You see?
Any say you kasa the nim.
Oh, Nigeria you kasa many man I.
Come you na say kasa ni. Me say at times what me for me. But it depends upon how you say it. It depends upon how you say it. Any say you won't say and the consistency of it. And the consistency of it. And the boys are not happy.
How do you watch it goes then? In this like I won't say go. Coach Jano am a fight. I would say.
Oh, the
Coach Jano am a fight. Chema Uchi. Ah, Uchi go no. If you are meant you.
Chama. Ah, I would say Ogum that didn't buy you. So you see, me as I can you know. Some of these boys, it is the coach who brought them. Because he brought them out. Yes, I.
Not the bench, sir.
Yes, but if I say a sort to buy, so much I said Nunes, wait for. Now, no, but when you keep a knock about watching him, or chef first go anywhere, oh, back up your easier, that chance in a bit more easier than the so I say, but Upisa slaughter, at least publicly, they don't catch or say.
Now the Ogum what be publicly. Ogum must what team player be publicly. There be an evidence. Yeah, tell be publicly. Also, and them ranting on my back. Almost this baby bab we are here. There's all background ten and woman. I know of a sort of say. When Muna just had the 18 hour can
Tama.
Yeah, you better be am not say tintin.
Say Ogum.
Yes, Ibrahim Sunday, no to be team players no. One will cry what Basu for more.
Tama.
As soon as you tell my say I didn't
say Ogum and Shea Nations, even a draw. So what is step aside the man one?
By who from where?
In fact, what I picked this morning. Say Kwesiapia bon Angola. Ni double ni 2 matches ni we pay. You have to come down there heading to Menchia.
But some knows the son.
Mrs. Sano me cause what you say.
You say nations match here the nations match here.
Kotoko have to win.
The nations match here abe.
Kwesiada.
Na rabe na Kwesiapia bobo bia Menchia. Just step aside.
Mrs. Sano tia mani nyawa but.
Me catch or say. Obi any hwa. Obe catch a coach we and step aside.
Obi any ho.
Wano. Obi ngwan fa no.
Step aside after Sunday in case Kotoko lose or what draw be whatever. No more call the man back. And no more call the man in Rado. Now for Kwesiapia we no bad down straight to Menchia.
Dibozi Kotoko Beshe.
And only the no end here. And that's what we are. Until me I am the
and no mum should be their focus and attention.
Yes.
Than to Obinko lose near man and step aside. A drew say na and go for being pie and say, Kobomi anyway. Me the most umpire. And you what? Okay, so into your results on oh dear. Almost beat me a boy man. I said, Omunina come no more man in shame. Me know ya drink. Nan step aside and you be happy. Me
know ya drink say all hands must be on deck. Obian play the part, Obian contributing in the to say senior players Yako Cabo almost say Sunday. Or make sure say on Beshe na sir players no so dia and they yet ya buro mutri so ya can same go msu no so one sign
players now mo car 12 as a 13 a coach no eni gina machi samre no ka se mfa mo nka ho a kam be ko
kom so be ko bia
e na mo tena mu o defend mo mafo ko no mo ta machi nti the least you can do
and say mo be save no
you should save him e na mo be ka ho no so obu ho akenye Coach Ogum recommendation Kotoko kanya bi moda
eno so me no ya adwen
ka be bubo ba bia wo na bia kra na anya yi tu ba yi atise mu pay ni adin na wo osoro enti omo mba afoforo ene omo opportunity to stay time wa opemso ma omo kwan se de omo bia wo nko mo de ogina machi ena mo so bia be ka so bi du ko hwe nkwa mfanu ko hewu munya nsema mo keka na munyire mo homo mo nse no bia omo se ba de nyina
mo wa ya de watu mo mani fu wi agya mo de wuntu ni fu bi ana watu agya mo fu wi mo de wuntu ni fu
ana mo mani wa
na se nipa mienu ne e come asem waka coach de waka person de waka bi che coach ne
Coach Ogum so obibi a wo ye a emo amani nya results
no wa wi
wonsesa
wa wi asem no
wonsesa enen kura no baba no coach minim ba bia ne manyini akoduru de be na de kane no
da no gina ho
ye go school no ne me de me papa no onika bia no de me go school ti wo de so be fa form afa so am akopim wo ba bia ne yesika ne yesi su otumfo no ho race course one no akopim new nation ne sa so anuma kuta na malaba sa no akopim na ka bia ni ho ene
ye manu ko school
o ba wo do cat na no wi ko tenam no mai obana ka say adan wacha no no wamuna so akọ captain za wache ti coach na nkora no mamba no mesewa wadaruma we enye lecture abema max enu akose usuru won say o ye lecture dia ohun because o ya be fail no
o max no dey pass
engofo we mom na be ma wanya grade ti esro code na botre
no
na kwasi adamo nse na asomdwemra we nyina bebe din bebe din
o so why adwuma ni nyina
so bed tito boase me so bofu pa
how did ko say obed so
dem say me obed anima ni bofu the whole day
obed no Kotoko nya results at the YouTube ni ana enko ti
that's that's not a fair comment
sir
enya fair below bed panacho ti ba bu eti na fair enko
tama Blay ni Kotoko se Blay se yes se Blay se obebo team te Kotoko na no obebo
amuntimi na o muda mu supporters mbasi no bibi ye omo
alezo me ni pa alezo me chia no we da me hu no se wo se ma me hu no na so ma me hu no
David out cra
me hu no
ye di brunya wia sa be kwa ko se
tama Blay ni Kotoko baby ejina na esika esika
sika baby
esika
Blay na anu ya na supporters man renew the contract me bo
say the contract ni ewu
omka so we pre go renew afia balance
the contract ni ewu January
from sama no 1 year kan
Kotoko cra prince 2 years ono so prince 2 years
say ne no anu
sika
and sika no problem
do mo de ka ho no esua omo de 500 Ghana cedis per na to so
salary no na see nya 500 January ho ko ke paper
time de bibia na wa ire
and you were here say Blay yeah the 500
I say Blay there's the likelihood say obobo na retire Kotoko
yeah obet my coaching course
there's the likelihood say obo retire Kotoko say bia say
wakwa America abadia
for na ibia ko banko bomu dia
wakwa America
obo wie na say nyame boa no na say America ho bi do kokko partner na bia na okotana na bia enti sika omo hwe me ma information apekere nche say the management no e pese omo ne na nakasa na omo hwe no omo pagya mu kakra
Bruce ka
ohun say
na die enye sika die
ka ho no ball no boni bi ni die
na say da obo
so ohun say eno so ho kakra die but ball no nye too much of me the sana ma peke so ohun ball no boni bi ni nye too much of ayi no ni ade so ohun ni ade enti tama so ohun no
Mate ave na jibo ni ma ana
Ghana Football Association Georgia Free say FIFA defining match manipulation as unlawful influence or alteration directly or by an act of omission of the cause, results, or by any other aspect of football match or competition. Was it following this? Permit me to cite the following instances where the Ghana League have experienced acts which constitute match manipulations. Number 1, 2021-2022 league season. Mediama IC versus Kimfaisa Tama. Georgia Free outlining ni nyina wasi video bi ba ya ball no ba bonte refugee penalty the go inside ama mo efe no mo wie mo verdict am de man no mo say the referee decision was an error Mo efe no mu wie no mo na mo wie mo say them referee's decision was in an error. Now we're defining say FIFA defining manipulation e dey akire mo. Tama. Owie no. Eno o say Muhammad Misbah any assistant ne ka kire mo efefo no say omo mienu no obia no opese no yonko na boa man take decision. Tama. Number 2. George Free say the Ghana Football Association's match review panel has suspended Patrick Papala 1 year for denying House of Folk a goal. Tama sa okasa match no. Against RTU, which ye no almost na legitimate. Me dey no to her emrenti na me bobo no ta.
I ka 1 minute into you.
Tama. Finally, was it the lack of response by the GFA on the above issues ono Jayefe no raising nyina no FA no did not respond to them. Who o say okase match manipulation and I said the league is being manipulated also watch charge no meanwhile one kasa take decisions e confirm me say ampa matches has been manipulated. Tamo we no judge the back bi ka ho na eye me depa Dreams FC versus RTU ewo fencing the GFA maybe this comes from Bejino and you know say ope personal hearing and I believe say onya
okay my boss mo be boss kana yi mo be boss wa
ana ndi na so ati o de issue that we should so the Kotoko and the contract on sense na no say o say Emre na e response na edika tin homa ya o Blay Asare say
me bi o Man U in Liverpool
say me yeka
so mo no e ba ye kan e ba ye discuss it
o be draw attention
I say ba ye discuss it na nu ya yenya na some supporters any abre say omo hwe bola sala ebo ya they think say he deserve to stay and you know
and gone that so
season this one
na ataka 1 year
Dabi he's going free.
He's not in the final of his contract.
No, Salah is the final.
Aka 1 deal.
Dabi Salah final ni. Dabi
I'm in the contract.
Salah in the final year ni. Who said no? Oya interview one say he's just enjoying football now because when him say
I work at Salah.
Make Salah.
Oh okay, make us Saliba.
Oh,
the man near Salah seven pound and Asante.
Asante.
Oh, Salah, okay. Because it's Saliba.
Dabi.
Salah there's 7 pound.
So eti so to reach that stage we are.
Brother.
If you look at Blay Asare, now yes, it is true that Onya happy with even how he lost his Blasters slots.
As he said that, and I'm not catch it.
No,
Cameraman a response.
What's up to a young comma? So you made it.
No, what didn't come out.
No, at that level.
Well, to lose your Black Stars position there, and your coach in a man losing any team. He was also conceding goals, and the team thought that an opportunity should be given to another person. And I understand.
Who has also been conceding goals.
So no one any. Oh, madam just say. Oh, unti, baby. That say a show there. A coach or the club can decide to change you. But I say no man am well lose Blaster position. Indika Blaster anti. Yeah, show no. Na de dem.
Oh, sir. Who's that? And
no, I'm just on the same na some near again. And then some near again.
Oh, Basa,
I need to guinea for friend. So, an abokina.
So, compare wage in 1 match or G2. Anyway, no, in 2 months.
Compare them with him.
I think I'll compare Podianka.
When Arsenal decided to change Ramsdale, they changed him.
Because they thought, say,
They changed him.
And Ramsdale so say, ultimate now as a second goalkeeper.
And Okoye. Exactly.
Ramsdale was no. Anna Raya Maya. It was made clear say Ramsdale was the first choice goalkeeper.
Yes.
Raya buy you know Arsenal making it clear say Raya and be Arsenal first choice goalkeeper.
Yeah.
And ameboa.
Yeah.
Enti oti ase say first choice goalkeeper.
What does after you were bad?
Yes.
Say I had the almost someone sir.
But on say no so na ya na mzo.
But Oma go through systems and Oma say Eboa. When the team is very categorical, said this is my number 1. This is my number 2. But I had the almost
season in Kotoko lose how many matches?
So 4.
4 Obi had the 2-2. Obi had the 2-2. And I'm just on percentage because I'm not percentage.
Asare lose in
Home and away.
2 matches. Home away 2 matches.
Lions be sure.
Lions then.
Asare
lose 1 game.
WW 2-2. Obi had
2-2. Before Kotoko lose season. So lose
one away match be wo.
And 3. Okay, say 3 matches.
I mean Omo lose 3 matches. 3 matches no more lose no. Asare lose 1. Kamara lose 2. So what the match na say. Me dey say say establish say.
But them say goalkeeper no mo mfa they will lose na check you.
And the only away game they've won to na Kamara. You can also put it there.
And me just say yeah anya no mo yo. Oh, the trainers will look at your performance in the post. Not just that you lost. It be a spiritual for never lost.
Kotoko dey different o.
Over say keeper bi o wa. Go na the share no. Ni nya so so if you are really analyzing it.
Situation no mo say no. Ama supporters ne a bigger say when it comes to decisions of the club. Supporters